Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are here with Big Talladega Trent.
This will be a very good instructional video for some people.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of videos on what we're doing here, and a lot of people don't know how to do it.
So why don't you just explain?
So when you put newer style mirrors on these trucks,
2018 Denali ones.
mirrors. If you look at it from the front here, they kind of do a wing where they pick up, so they're kind of like angled up. So what you got to do here is you're supposed to take this cap off, but we don't have that cap. You got to pull these two bolts out, put like two washers back there, and then it'll straighten out.
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna do.
So we're going to be leveling those.
Yep.
And then we're going to be doing some wiring.
Yes.
And yeah, so it'll kind of be a how-to video.
Yeah, it'll be all kinds of
Give us a good
good content.
try to give you guys some content here. Maybe focus her in. So what is it? Just these 4 bolts that hold her on there?
Yep. And then
Alright.
just these. We need washers for these top two. So
Trent's the Chevy mirror guy here. I'm more of a Dodge man myself.
Yep. Oh. We're just gonna kind of hope that stays right there.
All right, so we grabbed the washers, and Trent grabbed himself an ice cold Arizona.
Yep.
Arnold
Which I
Palmer.
forgot to shake. So we're just gonna.
And we put 2 washers in.
And it is like perfect.
You can focus, focus,
Yes.
maybe. Okay, well, anyway, you can see that there's washers right here. It's not focusing, but we're going to show you guys how to install those on this side.
Yep. Now this side's gonna be. I think I'm gonna have to grab a screwdriver.
So you got to pull this cover off here.
Yeah. And I believe it or not, I washed the truck before we started this, but apparently the mirrors just decided to not be washed.
Well, when you have wheel spacers on the truck.
Well, yeah, typically. Oh, it's already cracked. Cool. Unbelievable.
Unreal, dude.
Unbelievable.
Unreal.
Can't have anything nice anymore.
That's what I told him. Alright, so basically you're going to want to pop these 2 Mad Mamma Jammas off.
And take the top 2 off, and then
Get Trent's face in here.
loosen up the bottom 2 enough so you can have finger room. And then comes the part that's
These like the
real
perfect
pain.
size washers.
They're a little big, but
What size you got?
these are a 1/4 inch.
Focus.
Part number 82534.
Focus. Dude, why isn't not? Focus. Unreal, dude. There we go.
There it goes.
That's what you got.
Yep. I mean, they're a little large, but
Yeah, that's what she said.
I mean, they're a close fella.
You don't want to slide the bolt in there.
And then,
The washers in behind the bracket.
yes. This one went a little bit. This side went a little smoother. Oh, wait. If I can find the hole.
You have trouble doing that, don't you?
Well, see, it ain't got no hair on it, so. There we go. Okay. Now we just
Yeah, you just throw that in there. And
rotate this.
kind of for reference, 2 washers kind of got this one pretty level over here.
I got
So.
that one actually really level.
Yeah.
Quite impressed. I mean, they were pretty level to begin with, which is pretty good for trying to put.
But it was noticeable.
Yeah, it was,
If you were
but-
looking.
Better than I've seen some done.
Matt,
Yeah, his needs to
get level.
get leveled. But when he painted his, he for some reason painted over this and the blinker because he didn't want to wire them up, I guess. So the sad thing though is that side there's like 2 LEDs that are out because that side got hit with something apparently because you can see the paint from something else on there.
Fun.
So there's a couple of LEDs out on that one, but no biggie.
We'll have that around these parts.
Yeah. I mean, you can't expect much off of Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
I did get these mirrors pretty cheap though.
Yes. And you're just going to want to crack them in with the old impact.
Yep.
Proper torque spec right here.
Yeah. Good and tight.
Mm-hmm. You fold out.
There you go.
Yeah, she's pretty even. That's pretty much all you got to do. It's pretty nice. Pretty level, I'd say. Looks good.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah, there's how to level your tow mirrors.
Yep.